Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on AOL Mail. So now let's get started with the process. First of all, launch AOL Mail application on your mobile device. Now once you are here at the top left corner, right beside news, you can see a circle icon with AOL dot. So simply tap on that circle icon. Now, a menu like this will appear on your screen. Now, simply tap on the option of Manage Accounts, which is on top. With that, you'll come across your various mail IDs that you have been using on AOL Mail. Now, just below your name and your mail ID, you can see Account Info. Tap on it. Now, once you are here under Account Info, you'll see the option of Personal Info. Tap on it. Now, once you are here under Personal Info section, you'll see your various personal details. Now, you'll see the option of Update Personal Details. Just tap on that option. Now, once you are here, in order to change your name, you have to go to Preferred Name. So, let me change my preferred name. Here we go. Now, if you wish to, you can also change your first name or your last name. So, I'm also going to change my first name. So after you have changed your name, just tap on the option of Save Updates at the bottom. Now you can see that your name in AOL Mail has successfully been changed. Now your contacts will be receiving mail through this new username and preferred name that you have updated. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.